in the battle.
Não sei.
Look at the grinders finding a way to get through this moment. Grinders work, man, work. No, guys, we are here trying to find a way to put everything on this car, man. This is the first problem
de fim de semana
of our journey, you know.
O gajo não consegue meter as coisas dentro do carro e está a reclamar que nós trazemos poucas merdas. Pá, que sou mesmo
Man, English, man, come on, man. What is this? This is not Portuguese channel.
Richie, tell us about your champion's breakfast.
So man, we have orange juice, you know, we love it. Yogurt. We need some protein, right? So choco pips with milk. And we have some good bread, you know.
Wait, this is protein, right?
Yes.
Pre-match routine has match and he's focused on
Man, someone has to
creating-
do it, man. Someone has to do
creating
it.
content.
Man,
for-
go
for
film.
grinders.
Look at that grind. Guys, we played a pre-quali tournament here in Castelo Branco. Me, Ilya lost against the same guy, Danny's brother. I guess some of you may know him from YouTube. Congrats to him for winning the pre-quali tournament. Ilya lost to him in the second round, I lost to him in the semis, and Daniel lost to a Portuguese guy in the second round.
Guys, we are gonna visit other grinders. Yeah, look at this, guys. This is shoes. Yeah, Afonso Portugal shoes. Yeah, grandes.
Keep making
Yeah, you need to speak
It's a
English.
pleasure to talk with you guys.
I know, but tell to our 107 followers why you are not
Yeah,
following.
just follow them.
Yeah,
I don't follow because I don't want to, but yeah, you guys have to. It's
Toma leite. Grinding. Just arrived to the club, playing our first match today.
So, after the pre-quali tournament, we started playing the quali tournament. Unfortunately, my brother couldn't get in because at the moment he didn't know he had the protective ranking and the tournament was full. So he wasn't able to get in because he at the moment doesn't have any rankings. Just found out later that he has some protective ranking now that he's going to start using in the next tournament. Me and Lia played. We both won the first round of our qualies, and yeah.
Grinder. What's up, Grinder? How are you feeling?
I lost because my antibiotics and I had cramps, you know, and I lost 7-6, 6-3, and I was winning 6-5, and I played so shit in this game, and then the 6-3 it was like 3-all, and then I gave like three games like tickets, 3 games.
Show again.
3 games.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, took it.
Yeah, took it.
You win. So, but same old, you know.
What was your grinding mentality during the match? Was okay?
Yeah, second set better. Yeah.
What you had?
Ricardo Batista was playing my right side, and I gained my confidence, you know.
What do you have to say to grinders community?
I think it's a good thing for national Portuguese tennis, you know.
Some advice for our community, for other grinders like you.
Continue to grinding, you know.
Okay, thank you a lot, man. Big grinders hug. Yeah, guys, we just came here to do some fitness.
Sleeping.
Man, sleeping now, it's Zumba lesson.
Zumba, yeah. Zumba, yeah. We're about to dance, man. We're about to
Are you
dance.
ready for Zumba lesson?
Man, I'm always ready, man. I'm always ready.
Chegar no Porto.
este fuego.
And I'm looking for a healthy breakfast, man. No added sugar. We need no added sugar because grinders don't need sugar. We need, man, we need.
Bro, these ones are good, man. I'm telling you, bro. They have basketball in here, bro. I'm telling you. If you
read what's here.
Bro, doesn't
no
matter.
Sugar
bro, doesn't
with
matter.
probiotics.
This one,
man,
NBA, bro. Do you know what?
Man,
do you know what's NBA, bro?
Man,
bro, do you know what's NBA,
man.
bro? NBA, bro. If you eat this, you don't miss a serve, bro. I'm telling you. I'm letting you know, bro. LeBron James mode, bro. I'm telling you.
We will do some crazy shit.
You're crazy, man. You're crazy. Chill, man. Chill, man.
Put this here, you know.
Okay. And then?
And after we put one more over there.
Okay.
And after someone needs to take this. Look at it.
Who's gonna take that?
We will just grab
just
it
take.
and go because grinders don't pay.
Grinders don't pay, man. That's it.
Like
Pindos,
here,
watch
you know,
this video,
I'm
man.
just talking. I'm just here, you know, like talking with you. Easy, take it easy, you know. I'm not doing nothing. After I just come here and take my things, you know. Like,
And GG.
like I don't care, you know. I don't care. I
Yeah,
just take, I don't
Pindos
pay.
is our partner.
Yeah, I don't pay, you know. I just take my
He's
things.
asleep, he's asleep.
Hello guys, as you see, we can see Ricardo. He's just thinking about some tennis, you know, about his forehand. He's thinking so much. Then yeah, that's happened when he thinks a lot. But we just wait a bit and it will get better. We'll show you when he stopped thinking. Guys, you know, when this is grinder and when he's not filming
Yes,
and
sir.
not doing videos and not playing tennis, he's playing video games with his girlfriend.
Yes,
man.
sir. Yes, sir. You
But
know.
he's just girlfriend for social media because in real he's
Bobby girl, I'm a Barbie girl. Nothing nice. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair. I see everywhere. Imagination, it's your creation.
So guys, to pass the quali, just needed to win 2 rounds. We both passed the quali and then lost in the first round of main draw. But the points that you are seeing actually is in the after winning his last round of quali.
Eu estava a reclamar agora. Eu já estava a ficar frito com esta merda.
my focus only in one thing, man. Only in one thing. Go inside the fucking tennis court
Yeah.
and be focused and fighting for every point. When I say fighting, it's not grinding. It's a different type of grind. It's play to win every point. But the important part is play to win. I don't wait for mistakes from my opponents. Man, I don't wait. Man, I force them to do mistakes or even just to see the ball with their eyes, man. This is the mindset for 2 meters and 10 grinding, you know? This is real grinders dinner. Look at this. Tuna, onions, pasta, and tomato sauce.
man, I want to eat, man. Come on, fast, man, fast, come on.
Yeah, and,
Fast, man.
and very
Come on,
important,
man.
reach the beach over there. Yeah, these conditions in Porto tournament, not bad. Full equipped gym, doing fitness with backpack. You're a good tennis player. What is the advice you give to young people?
Keep grinding.
Keep grinding. Okay.
Daniel Batista. Contra. Ari Batista. Ricardo.
Duelo grinders. Duelo grinders. Grinders. Sim, grinders.
Duelo Brian.
These points are from my match with my brother, where he was able to defeat me. This was his first tournament, future tournament, after 2 years of not playing this type of tournaments, and unfortunately he lost in the second round in super tie break. Ilya lost to in the second round, but in the end it was a really good experience for the three of us, and we got out of this tournament with motivation and knowledge to work on the things that we need to improve.